Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on the US dollar. Before I get started, I want to make note that all these lines and annotations you see, I have not touched since the last time I did this. This is the third video I've done in kind of the US dollar series I've been doing, trying to do one a week since the dollar does play such a big role in just the economy in general. But I haven't touched anything, and once again, the power of charting is pretty amazing. So I want to go over a few things. Some things have changed, but at the same time, as far as support and resistances, we're still hanging in there. But nonetheless, I want to keep this updated since I know people have been following the dollar and asking me questions to just keep this thing updated because it is actually a pretty interesting chart, especially if we're trying to learn technical analysis. Lots of good little lessons that are occurring within the chart. So first, we have all these green lines, which are support levels, and the red represents resistance. And you can see that we have broken through our long-term support trend line, which is this thick one right here. And actually, what I'm going to do is just delete this one out of here now. Like I said, if you want to see where that originated from, you can go back and look at the previous couple videos I did. But I'm going to try to clean up this a little bit more and just keep the key levels that we care about. So we did break through that long-term one, and now we have this level here at 80 where we came down, hovered around a little bit, finally fell, and then right here, the power of charts, we had this support level here, and look right where this thing found support and bounced from, right around this level right here. And like I said, I have not changed these lines at all. However, here's the interesting part. In the last video, I talked about how the dollar is just in a very steep decline, and how this trend line has just been, brutal in terms of knocking the price back down. And I drew this trend line last week when I did a video, and sure enough, look at that. The price came up, hit it, and now look what we had today. Just a big, nasty red bar, and it's looking like right now this trend line might do it again and knock the price back down. So just amazing how connecting a few previous highs can do such a good job of forecasting the vicinity of where some resistance is going to be at. So once again, this blue line is held strong, and what I want to do is extend this green line back out because this is still our support, and it's looking like we have a chance of the dollar's value coming down to test this level again. And as I'd mentioned in previous videos also, we have this support level here, and if these ones fail, then let's look for the dollar to come down to right around $76 or so. We could come down here and maybe get a double bottom, so have a pullback, have it hover, and then head back up. Our key resistance level that I'm gonna keep our eye on right now is this level up here at 82.50 or so. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to just get rid of this one here. We saw what that one did and so forth, but right now, in my opinion, the key level to get back above before any sort of reversal chatter can really take place is going to be this $82.50 area. If the price comes up here and is hovering around, you can talk about consolidating, but as far as a reversal, I would argue that. But like I said, before any sort of debate or really even talk of a reversal in the dollar can be spoken of, in my opinion, we need to see a break of that level there. So made an attempt, had a nice bounce this last few days. However, this trend line has knocked us back down. Looking at the indicators, stochastic is actually looking halfway decent. Had some life coming, but not sure it's going to be able to break above 50. Usually when it can break above 50 in the past, you can see it goes on some nice little moves from here. Made a nice move up here. Not quite as a nice move up, but it still nonetheless did make a move up. But if this bearish days continue, then we're going to see something like we did right here, where stochastic comes up but then just gets knocked back down. Looking down here at the MACD, nice crossover, but these are only indicators. The main thing is price action, and we still have a long ways to go before I'm going to really say that the dollar is showing any true strength. So these two support levels are still in play. They did hold strong the last time, but if they don't hold, then look for this yellow line to be the next price level. And don't even think about or chat about a reversal in dollar until this level up here can fall and have some closes above that. So once again, this was the US dollar, and hopefully I'll be back in a week or so with another video, and we'll see what the chart's looking like at that point in time. Thanks for listening.